What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Rex from Toy Story. Let's begin today's lesson on the top left side of our page with a curve for the bottom edge of the brow. So we'll start on the outside on the left, then this up in the middle, round this out, and then bring that down on the right. Now tuck the eyes in underneath. So over on the left side along the edge, draw a circle going all the way around, then back out. And I want to leave a gap in the center and draw the same size circle on the right. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small circle, line that up on the right, and then we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now underneath the eyes, we're going to add a fold, coming down and then out. Then we'll add some thickness to the top of the brow. So on the left, we're going to step out, just follow that same curve, going up in the middle, around, and then back down. Now I'm going to work our way around the edge of the head. So on the left side, we're going to step up, go around, down, and then in towards the bottom of the mouth. Let's line this up on the right. Going out, go around, and then in towards the same height. And we'll close out the bottom with a curve. Coming down the middle, go across, and then up. Let's add in two large nostrils. Leaving a gap in the center, start on the left side. Going up, around, and then down. Line this up on the right, going up, around, and down. Now I want to tuck the lower jaw in underneath. So starting back on the left, draw a half circle. Coming down, go around, and then back up on the right. Let's trace this along the inside. And then on the side of the jaw, we're going to add the hinge. Let's start on the left side. We're going to draw a half circle, going out, around, and then in. Let's add the top row of teeth. We're going to start in the middle. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Let's add a couple more on either side. Now let's add the bottom row of teeth. We're going to leave a gap in the center, go up and down on the left, add two more, move over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I want to go back and add a fold on the top of the nostrils. Starting on the left, draw a shorter curve, going up and then out, and then line that up on the right. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw the front edge of the body. We're going to start over on the left side of the chin, come down, round out the chest, and then bend that across. Now we want to create an overlap, so we're going to step back out, come down across the bottom of the belly, across, and then out. Now I'm going to layer the right leg on top of the body. So right here, go up, round out the top of the leg, and go all the way around the outside, come down, and then bend that in. Let's bend the bottom of the leg, going out, and then down towards the heel. Now from the heel, it's going to round up the foot, come in towards the first claw. Let's add a small claw going up, bend that down towards the tip, and go up and then in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's add a larger claw in the center. We're going to start from the top, going up, across, and then down, and then bend that back in. And I want to draw that same size claw on the left side. So going out and down, and then tuck that in. Now I want to go to the top of the last claw, draw the foot, going up, across, and then down. And we'll go back up to the knee, bend the leg, coming down and in on top of the foot. Let's tuck the left leg underneath the body. We're going to start out here, bend the leg, going out, and then down towards the heel. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I want to round out the heel, going out towards the first claw. Let's add that same claw. And pull that up towards the bottom of the foot. Let's add that large middle claw, starting from the top, going up and then down. And bend that in, and then we'll go and draw a smaller one on the outside. Let's go to the top of the last claw, bend the foot, going up and then in. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the body. Let's bend the leg. We're going to go out, coming down and then in on top of the foot. Now we're going to move over towards the right side of the chin, bend the neck, coming down and out. Then step back up, we're going to add a curve, going up, and then bend this down on top of the back leg. Now I want to continue the curve of the body over on the outside of the leg, bend this out, and then up, and we'll just bend that out towards the end of the tail. Let's taper this back in so it gets wider as you come down and in, then in behind the leg. Now we're going to go back and separate the edge of the neck. Starting from the outside, we're going to add a seam, coming down and then up. Now with the body in place, let's layer the arms on top. We'll start with the one on the inside of the body, starting up here, then it's down and then over towards the elbow, then it's up towards the claw. Let's add that first claw. Just going to bend this down, bend this up, and then in. Let's add 2 more claws in behind, starting up here, come down, up, and in. And we'll do that one more time. Go up toward the top of the hand, and then bend this down towards the elbow, step back, bend the inside of the arm going up. Now I want to draw that same arm tucked in behind the side of the body. Let's start out here, coming down and up towards the wrist, and we'll draw on that first claw, going out, bend this up and in. Let's add 2 more claws, starting from the side, bend this in, and then once more, I'll bend this up towards the top, and then in towards the body. Now with that seam that goes across the bottom edge of the body, we're going to start underneath the chin on the right side. Just going to wobble this, going around, in behind the arm. Let's continue along the bottom, going in behind the leg. Now along the base of the tail, we're going to start from the leg. We're just going to add a few rounded points, going up, work our way out toward the tip of the tail. And now you want to add some scales and spots across the body. Let's start from the left side of the leg. Just going to add these little ovals going around, and you want to vary the size. And we don't have to add too many. Work our way on top of the right leg. And then across the top of the back. Let's sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Rex from Toy Story. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.